Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. Today we are going to make mango cake. This cake is so light, moist and tastes delicious. Hence it is mango season. You guys should really try out this simple mango cake recipe. Let's get started. First we need to make a mango puree. For that I took some chopped mangoes and blend it in mixie. We need 100 grams of mango puree. Take a bowl. Add 70 grams of unsalted butter. Your butter should be at room temperature and beat for about 1 minute. Here I used Alfonso mango. You could use Kesar or any other varieties of mangoes. To this add 70 grams of powdered sugar and beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes until it gets light and fluffy. If you have wire whisk, use wire whisk and beat this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Look at this. This is the consistency after 2 to 3 minutes of beating the butter and sugar. Look at this. To this add 1 large egg and beat for about a minute until the egg is just combined with butter and sugar mixture. To that add 100 grams of mango puree which we blended before. You could use canned mango puree too. Here I am using a fresh mango puree. Look at the color. I didn't add any color at all. The colors come from mango. Use good quality mangoes. Look at this. Scrape the bowl and keep it aside. For dry ingredients, I took 100 grams of all-purpose flour, Maida and 5 grams of corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. If you don't have corn flour, just use 100 grams of all-purpose flour, Maida. It just works perfect. Corn flour gives texture to our cake. And mix well. Now add our flour little by little and gently fold it. Do not add all the flour at once. I am going to add it in 3 batches like this. Add little by little and gently fold the batter. Here I didn't add any vanilla essence or mango essence. If you have mango essence, you could use it. I'm just using the puree to get the real mango flavor. Add our remaining flour and gently fold again. Do not over fold it or else your cake may get hard. Just fold until it combined. Look at this. My batter is ready. To this add some chopped mangoes. It's optional but it gives nice flavor. Add little chopped mangoes to the batter and mix well. Now preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Preheating your oven is important. Don't forget to preheat. Here I am going to use a loaf liner, paper liner. You could use 6-inch or 7-inch cake pan. It just works perfect. Instead of this loaf pan, you could use 6-inch or 7-inch pan too. Tap the pan like this to remove any air bubbles. Here I am adding little cashews on top. It's completely optional. If you want, you could add pistachios, walnuts or anything on top. And bake this for about 30 to 40 minutes. Look at this. My cake is done. It took 30 minutes for me to bake this cake. And slowly remove the cake from the pan. You can even frost this cake. Bake the cake in 6 or 7-inch round pan and layer and frost the cake. It holds the shape very well. Look at this. Look at the color. I didn't add any yellow color at all. No mango essence. The flavor comes from real mango. You guys should really try out the simple mango recipe before the mango season ends. Look at this. The flavor is just awesome. Do try it out and let me know how it is turned out for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.